Okay guys, here's your homework assignment. It says to write 3 ratios that are equivalent, which means what? Equivalent means, loud and proud, what does it mean? Equal to the one given. So we have 18 right-handed students to 4 left, which means the way it's written is the order it should be in. Right-handed to left-handed. You could have simplified it. That would have been fine too. Okay? Number 2. We have 16 homework papers and 14 exit tickets. So you're going to have to be really careful with these questions to read them, because it's all about the wording to get you started. And Ms. Rivera has 64 papers and homework papers and 60 exit tickets. For each teacher, write a ratio to represent. And I underlined this because here's the key to the order that they have to be written in. The number of homework papers to the number of exit tickets. So if you remember yesterday, we talked about writing a map with words. It's really just a guide to help you know how to get started. And I wrote 16 to 14, 64 to 60. Now, there's 2 ways to do this. You can cross multiply and see if you get the same answer, or you can simplify. What is 16 over 14 simplest in your calculator? So you want to put in 16, ABC, 14, and what does it come out to be? Raise your hand. Anybody? Some more. 1 and 1/7. Okay. Let's see if that's equal to 64 ABC 60. What does that come out to be? 1 and 1/15. So are they equivalent? No, and that's how you write it. Okay, the next one. Again, it's a question about girls, the team, and the kids that tried out, and the boys. So here's the main part of this question. Are the ratios of number of students on the team to number of students trying out the same for both boys and girls? So your map should say team trying out, and that's how you fill it in. I cross-multiplied, or you could simplify and get 2/5. So are they the same? Are they equivalent? Yes, they are. Okay. On the back, again, the way it's written is the way you put your math down and then fill your numbers in. So you can check those over, miles over hours, because miles comes first. Now, but I want you to start writing the words, okay? Because it's going to get tricky with tables and stuff. So if we start now, it'll be a good habit. Customers over days, meters over seconds, dollars over pounds. Any questions on that? So Devin is trying to find the unit price. This is an odd question because, well, we'll see. Is trying to find the unit price on a 6-pack of energy drinks on sale for $2.99. His sister says that the price of each drink would cost $2. So what are your thoughts on that? It is kind of common sense, but if you don't see it that way, that's okay. So you could say, so the sister, he's saying that it's $2 for 6 drinks. So how much would that cost? $12 for a 6-pack. Does that make sense? She's trying to find the unit price, $2.99 for 6. You want to pay $12 for 6 or $2.99 for 6? $2.99. Or you could have found the unit rate, which was dollars over the number of cans or bottles of drink, and you would have come out with that. 50 cents, rounded to 50 cents. And then the last one, I would like someone to tell me how they set this up to find the better buy. Samora, what'd you do? If you want to pass, that's okay. The key, what I'm looking for here is for you to remember that we always put dollars first. Oh, you can't. We always put dollars first, and then the amount of bagels. That's right, because here it is, 89 cents over 4 bagels. And this one would be what? We're doing dollars over bagels, so it would be $1.39 for 6 bagels. You do the math. Who's got the math? Raise your hand. Anybody? Okay, then you should be putting that in your calculator right now. 89 cents divided by 4. Oh. Hannah? Okay. And we're talking about unit rate, so that's 22 cents per bagel. And how about here? What do we find here for the unit rate? Mia? 23? Okay. Which is the better buy? This one. It's cheaper. Okay? I do, Molly. Yes. That's tonight. It's in the blue basket, Mr. Beach. Thank you. Again, we put dollars over ounces. $1.89 over 15. $1.39 over 12. All right? Someone tell me what you got when you divide it. If you don't have it, you should be doing it now. Homework with a purpose. When you divided, Hannah, what'd you get? 13 cents. And how about here? 12 cents. Which is the better buy? There we go. Okay. Take your do now out. Again, we're talking about unit price and we're talking about money. So we're going to look and see which is the better buy.
Guys, I have to just say this. If you didn't do the homework, you're really missing out on another practice. Because if you didn't do it, you can't check your work, you're kind of lost, you're behind, and you're kind of going fast here. Do now time.
Okay, so we have pounds of potatoes and 89 cents. We're finding the unit price and the better buy. Dollars on top, pounds on the bottom. Dollars on top, pounds on the bottom. Okay? So everybody should have this at least started. 89 cents on top, 3 pounds on the bottom, $1.59 on top, 5 pounds on the bottom. Do the math, what do we get? Every one of you should have this, or be thinking, or putting it in your calculator. So sitting there is not okay. Annetta? Did you do this one first? What did you get, honey? How much? Okay. And how about this one? $1.15. Now, 31 cents. It's just a penny, but pennies add up. So which is the better buy? This one. Which is this one? Okay? Okay, in Mrs. Loney's second period class, the ratio of boys to girls is 12 to 6. In her fourth period class, the ratio of boys to girls is 6 to 4. Now let's look at the question mark and make sure we're answering the question. Are the ratios of boys to girls, there it is, boys to girls, the same for her second and fourth period class? So can you give me one ratio of boys to girls from this problem? Samora? Yep, because we're talking about boys to girls, 12 to 6. Easy enough. And another ratio. Anna?
6 to 4.
6 to 4. Simplify them both. And what do you get? Like I said, I'm not so concerned with the writing, I'm concerned that you are thinking and trying. Kathleen, what'd you get, honey? 0.31.
And then
Oh,
you
is
round
it
up
8?
to 32, right?
Wait, okay.
31.8, so it would round up to 32.
Yeah, okay, sorry about that, thank you, honey.
Nice job.
Yeah, okay, so you simplified these, what'd you get for this one? Dylan, did you get this one? 12 to 6? No? Okay, you should be putting that in your calculator. Zach, do you have that? What do you have? When you 12 ABC 6, you got 1.5? Let's check that.
Which one?
12 ABC 6.
Ah.
I got 2.
Okay, so you were
Yeah.
answering that. Yep. You got 2, and what did you get here? 1.5? Great. Are they equivalent? No. Not.
You know, if you didn't have a calculator and you're on a deserted island,
Right.
right? 6 on the bottom, double to 12. So we doubled, right? 4 should double to 8, so they're not the same. If you didn't have a calculator, you could see that.
doing math before I'm a deserted island?
Because you're trying to figure out how to get off.
You're preparing for a career when they pick you up.
Or you're trying to cook your bugs, and you need a good ratio.
All right, we ready to stop the recording?
Yeah.